Opportunity awaits in the heart of Vermont. 5.3 acres of prime real estate, perfectly situated for your next great development. With town approval already secured for 23 townhouses, this land is ready to transform into a vibrant community. Imagine the possibilities. Modern living surrounded by scenic beauty. You're located right off a pristine golf course and offering convenient access to I-89. This property combines luxury and accessibility. Perfect for families, retirees, and professionals alike. Don't miss this rare chance to shape the future of Vermont living. Your opportunity awaits.